Yes, you're welcome back. Like I said earlier, we'll be starting with introduction. And so, as you can see, financial accounting 001A. That is introduction. I want you to do something for me. Get your paper and pen ready so that we kick off. Thank you. So, now we have lesson objectives. The lesson objective number one, we will be defining financial accounting and, and bookkeeping. That's number one. Number two, we'll be looking at differences between financial accounting, financial accounting and bookkeeping. Number two, we're looking at users users of accounting information. Then after that, we look at career opportunities in financial accounting. Now, the importance of financial accounting. Importance. Then we have number six as the history of financial accounting. Financial accounting. So these are many more are the things we'll be looking at. The lesson objective, as you can see, definition of financial accounting and bookkeeping. Two, differences between financial accounting and bookkeeping. Three, users of accounting information. Four, career opportunities in financial accounting. And we have five, importance of financial accounting. And of course, number 6, we have history of financial accounting. These are the things we'll be looking at. These are the things we'll be looking at. I'm not going to watch it because the Facebook is there for us, the YouTube is there for us, they are not running away. I think TikTok, but I don't think it's long enough in TikTok. But anywhere we can post it for people to get this knowledge. That's my interest, and I believe we can achieve it. We can achieve it. Everybody needs accounting. Everybody, like I said earlier, everybody needs accounting. As long as you're a business person. In fact, everything you do in life is business oriented. Yes, everything. You go to school, they say they want to study medicine, they want to do this. You're studying medicine at the end of the day. Even going to school I used to tell my students that going to school is a business to their parents, but they don't know. I used to tell them that now they are now a liability to their parents, but after schooling and all that, they will become an asset to their parents. So it's not business. The parents are now investing on them, investing. That's liability. At the end of the day, they now grow, they now become as a person, you become a doctor, maybe in future, become an engineer in future, you become a lawyer in future, and all that. Now you become an asset to your parents. And you may decide to have your own law chamber as a lawyer. You have your chamber and all that. There must be a record now, financial record. It's a business. As a doctor, like I said earlier, you want to own your own hospital. It's a business. You have to know the fundamentals of financial accounting. That's what I brought to you today. And we keep doing it. We take our time. But if you have any area that you want me to focus, please don't hesitate to DM me, private message me so that I will attend to that. I'm here for you anytime, any day. Just call me on phone. You have my number there. Call me on phone. Send me a message. I'll get to respond. Whichever way you want it. You want me to take your word, I'm there to do it. So there is no problem as regards that. I'll be there to solve every financial problem I'll be brought to me. And you go to comment section, you see pundits like me. And so doing it together, you see their own inputs, you see their own definition. We talk about that and that. We can decide to take their own point. Because this is an open system. So everybody is free to think. Once we assess and we argue it out, and it's not good, we say it's not good, it's not acceptable. So you see the ones that are acceptable, you can go with it. I'm trying to take my own. I'm not trying to be the boss, all of us are bosses. Thank you. Now let's look at definitions of financial accounting. The definitions of financial accounting. We say that financial accounting is the process of recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing, and communicating financial information to the interested users, to the interested parties. He said, is the process of recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing, and communicating financial information to the interested parties. In other words, we say it's part of business environment which deals with recording, classifying, analyzing, summarizing, and communicating financial information to the end users. So both definitions are the same because they talk about the process of communicating this financial information to the end users. So the process we say is number one, you must record. You understand? You must record. If you don't have anything to record, if you don't have anything recorded, there is nothing to classify. So number one thing is do what? You classify. You record, sorry. You record. Number two, you classify. Number three, you analyze. Try to find out, identifying and analyzing those transactions. Then you have to summarize it, make it concise, make it simple. Then now you can now communicate. You can now communicate. So it's a process. The both definition says is a process. So I hope you understand it. Now let's talk about bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Some people, bookkeeping and accounting, they are just the same thing. There's no difference. It just in there's slight difference in the activities which you are going to look at. So bookkeeping, we say, is systematic recording of business transaction in the books, in the appropriate books. Systematic recording of business transactions in the appropriate books as they occur. That means bookkeeping does more of routine jobs. They are tax oriented. Every time they come to the records, the cashier can be likened to a bookkeeper, as he does everyday recording of business transaction. That's the bookkeeping. Say is the systematic recording of business transactions in the appropriate book as they occur. As the transaction is occurring, you're recording them immediately. So that's the work of a bookkeeper. Now, I think we are done with. Yes, let's move to differences between financial accounting and bookkeeping. Now, bookkeeping can only record and classify accounting, whereas financial accounting records, classify, analyze, summarize, and communicate this financial information. Number two, that's number one. Number two, you can become a proficient bookkeeper in few months or weeks. Why? To become a professional accountant, it will take you several years of study. Number three, a bookkeeper is proficient in single entry, whereas an accountant is all-rounder, is everywhere in all aspects. Accountant is there as long as it's financial statement preparation and calculation is there. Number four, a bookkeeper only does tax functions is task function, like a clerical job. The bookkeeper does clerical jobs, whereas the accountant is result oriented. Result oriented is that it's going to look at the profit, the profitability of that business, and it's going to look at the balance sheet to understand the financial position of that business. So it's result oriented, whereas the bookkeeper is just task oriented, routine job, paperwork, and all that. Number 5, the bookkeeper looks at the peripheral aspects of financial recording, whereas an accountant looks in depth, looks deep into financial statements. I think because of want of time, I think we will stop here. The next time we're looking at the users of financial accounting, accounting information, career opportunities, importance of financial accounting, history of financial accounting. These are the things we are going to look at in the next class. Thank you. Just do one thing for me. Like, share, and comment on that comment section. That's the only thing you'll be doing for me. Thank you and stay tuned. In the calculation, don't be afraid. The calculation is just plus and minus. But let's understand the foundation first. Thank you very much.